Hey guys, Gus from G&G. Just wanted to do a quick check-in. We're finishing up our rooftop install today. Yesterday, the crane dropped off two 20-ton rooftops for us, and now we're putting them back together. So let's take a quick look at the crane footage.
Yeah.
20-ton rooftop going up. Taking off the old one now. You ever see the underside of a rooftop? New 20-ton rooftop coming up. This is at a bowling alley in Stratford, New Jersey. Got the roof curb set. We got the roof curb, green, got everything. Here is one of the 20-ton rooftops we installed. Just got to finish up the electrical, waiting for the electrician to come. Got the gas pipe tied back in. Thermostat wire, heating section. It's coming together nice.